Hey everyone, Dr. Dan here. Welcome to Hello World with Dr. Dan. In this video tutorial, I'm going to give you a quick peek at Module 1, the Basics module, specifically at the second lesson, Primitive Data Types. So in this lesson, you're really going to take a deeper dive into the primitive data types, which are bytes, shorts, ints, and longs for whole numbers. For numbers with decimal points, there's floats and doubles, and then you also have booleans and characters. We're also going to talk about when should you use each of these, and what cases is it better to use an integer versus a long, for instance, to represent whole numbers. We're also going to give some further mastery at formatting numbers. So we'll do formatting numbers with decimal points if you just want to print out 2 decimal points or 3 or 4, printing out numbers with thousand separators, as well as printing out in scientific notation. And then this will be also the first program where we use what's called the scanner to read in input from the user, so we can actually have some back and forth with the user. So if I play this program real quick, you'll kind of get a quick peek at it. This program is really meant to be almost like a self-commenting code, in that if you just read the output, it teaches you about the Java language and really programming languages in general and data types. So it just asks for a number. It kind of shows you the range of numbers for the byte, and then the short, and then the integer, and it just allows me to enter a number and so on and so forth. So again, you're learning all the basic data types, what the ranges are. You're learning a little bit about binary, the zeros and ones, and how the zeros and ones represent numbers and how they're stored underneath the surface, and then how to write all those values out to the console, as well as read those values in from the user as well. All right, hope to see you over on hellodrdan.com. Please check that out for the full-length video tutorials of this code being written from scratch. Thanks.